Let's keep this thing rolling.
Oh no.
What are you doing, Steph?
Oh, yeah.
Well, following contest is going to go one ball with a 1 overtime limit. It is for your leader,
Nice. It's a cam, baby. Let's go.
Introducing first the team of Matthew DeLuna, Ace Alexander, Stephen
All right, they got my favorite music now.
Ace Alexander, he's a bit tender. Have his heart down like he's going to the slammer. We don't go bananas, shout it to the wall, baby. And now you get the heart train.
Matthew DeLuna and Ace Alexander getting their shot
Yeah.
at the tag team champion.
Oh, Ace and Maddie with the good hair. Let's go.
He did come out with a do-rag, didn't he?
He's got a do-rag on.
This is 2 matches in a row with do-rags. I think we exceeded our limit.
Oh.
And up on the field, coming to the ring by Valkyrie, the Viking Queen. They are your reigning and defending League of Lions Tag Team Champions, Van Iron Belly, Warhammer, the Sons of Plunder.
The Sons of Plunder, the new tag team champions, thanks to, in large part, Miss Valkyrie, who seems to be accompanying them to the ring.
Valkyrie.
Valkyrie.
Yes.
Did I mispronounce that?
It is. There's a hyphen in there. I mean, it's a thing.
Valkyrie.
Yes, it's a Valkyrie is a.
We'll get the correct
Spirit.
pronunciation put on leagueoflions.com
Yes, absolutely.
if you want to peruse our website. And not only has the names of all these characters, but also wrestling records and such, because we're going to have some historic matches next month at the Wrestling Classic. Valkyrie making a demanding presence in the middle of the ring.
Yep, she's our spiritual advisor, and it's about to be bad for these guys, man. This is going to be a fight.
Can I make a hot take?
Go.
I think Vikings are weird. Not to say
Why?
they're
Because
bad.
They still exist.
No. Because, I mean, they clearly still exist. I mean, they're our tag team champions, of course.
Yeah.
But, I mean, now here's a good referee that we like.
Oh, I love me some Rob.
Now, this is a guy who does everything right.
He is the best referee in the game.
He's the guy.
Period. And he is right here at League of Lions Wrestling. Let's see what he's got.
Ring the bell!
Take him out.
Oh, my God. Taking care of you. Oh, nice teamwork by the Step Bros. And he's Dunsky.
That would do me in for sure.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done.
But the Step Bros just keep coming at him in waves.
They are a really good team, man.
No pals on that one. Oh, big hip tackle.
Coming up big on this. Oh, he tried to.
Woo!
Oh, wow.
They are really giving it to the
Wow,
champs.
bro. I mean, at any time, don't get it twisted. Anybody can lose.
Any
These Step
given
Bros-
Saturday, baby.
These Step Bros are at the top of the tiers here at League of Lions. That's why they got this match.
Specifically, any third Saturday of the month.
Boom, come on. Unless it's April, because we don't go against WrestleMania.
Man, you know what it is.
Got him.
Whoa!
Let's go.
Very athletic of Ace Alexander. Oh, he got the rope break, knew exactly where he was, the veteran presence.
Look at Dane. Look at Dane came in just bullying him.
I'm saying. Think that might be under the new coaching, Valkyrie.
Yeah, and yeah. Oh wow, a couple of Hogans there. And he got
Look at Ace. Hey, I gotta say, I'm impressed so far with Ace's performance.
Bro, Ace is my dude, man.
Tagging to Matthew Day Luna.
Nice. All right, some more tandem teamwork here. These guys are doing it. Oh,
Whoa, big miss.
oh. So he's just gonna come. Oh,
Oh
no!
What are you doing,
Oh, no.
Step Bro?
No!
Oh!
Oh, pause.
Press play.
What is happening? What are we doing?
He's stuck.
He just blew his back out. What are we doing right now?
This is a family show.
This is a family show. No back shot. Come on.
His father is present. Come on.
His mom is sitting in the front row. This is not cool. Oh, God.
Now, this is no laughing matter for the
Diabolical.
Sons of Plunder, as they calculated that move and set it up from the get-go.
These guys are diabolical. I can't believe. Dane is so.
I don't know
rough.
why, but I really want to blame Valkyrie for that.
Oh. Yeah, she saw it.
Drops him.
Yeah, she's teaching these guys, man. They're
Hey, as long as they keep winning, that's the only thing that matters, right?
unorthodox pin there. Oh my God! What is he? He is
Got
literally.
his foot on his neck.
He is literally like stomping him in the face.
And Valkyrie was pulling the rope away, so he couldn't even get a rope break.
What the hell is going on right now? These. Well, you know, these guys did have a really big street fight to have the #1 contender shot that the Sons of Plunder came away with. There's no love lost there. They hate each other.
Big kick to the face by Ace Alexander and keeping him up for a second.
Wow.
The power of Thane Ironbelly throwing him away with 1 foot.
Oh, Thane. Oh, there's
Kick
no
to the
love
gut.
lost with Thane
No.
and Matthew Day Luna. They hate each other.
Absolutely.
Oh,
Big suplex.
Oh, wow.
Very impressive. Sons of Plunder got him exactly where they want him now.
Yeah, it's only a matter of
See how
time now.
fast the momentum can change in a match like
You
this.
see how he just keeps his feet on? Oh, wow. Bruh.
What a great job, Rob. Working on the midsection of Ace Alexander. Oh, in the belly to the face. Ooh, right into the gut.
Good grief. They are roughing each other up.
Yes, they are. Big DDT. Cover. Kick out at 2. Hanging over the ropes. Clubbing away at the chest. Matthew Dane Luna looking to come in and stop it. He just got the referee. Oh my gosh, you see what is happening right now?
Chaos. Freaking chaos.
The Sons of Plunder have full control of this match now. Whatever they're going to try to do on the top rope cannot be good for him.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
What is
no,
happening?
no, 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 no!
Oh, God.
I think I would have said no one more time. It wouldn't have happened.
Oh, wow.
Kick out at 2.
Ace kicked out of that.
That's crazy. The resilience.
That was
of
a
this guy.
doomsday shoulder block. Is he? Oh, wow. He's just
Ace is
pounding
just-
his face.
I feel sorry for Ace right now.
Oh.
This seems less and less like a competitive matchup instead of a beatdown
Yeah,
by the
that's
Sons of
exactly
Plunder, the
what it is.
reigning tag team championship. Like I had forgotten at some point in this match that this was for the tag team titles, and this was just the Step Bros trying to get a shot in, but now Matthew DeLuna finally gets in, and Ace can get a breather.
He's just kicking him in the knees there.
He's just got these low shots here.
Oh, Matty with the good hair is unorthodox offense he's coming out with.
Wave check. And back into the corner.
He literally chopped him down in the corner.
He did chop down that tree.
They have a strategy here, my man. They have a strategy.
I see the vision.
Yeah.
I just don't know how they're going to execute it.
It's going to be a lot of ass whooping in the middle of the strategy, but they got a strategy.
Hey, doesn't matter how you get there.
Yeah.
No matter what the scoreboard is at the end of the game.
I love me some Step Bros, man.
Whoa!
Jesus.
Oh, my God.
He just pulled him down by his head.
Hey, that's not CTE appropriate.
Nice.
Rolling senton.
Oh, that was not smart.
I think he may have hurt himself
Yeah,
with all the
that was
body
not
damage
smart.
that he took from the Sons of Plunder, and now he's in there with Fine Iron Belly one-on-one, and he goes up and planted down.
It's almost like headbutting Samoan. It's pretty dumb.
Oh, yeah, that's not the smartest thing
Pretty
he could have
dumb.
done. Now, Thane is looking to continue to wear down Ace, because if it's 1-on-2, it's really unlikely that Matthew is going to be able to pull up the upset here. But he's still behind his tag team partner. It sounds like the fans are as well, but it's going to be hard the way they're picking him apart, stepping on the limbs of Ace Alexander.
What is this? This is downright mean.
They're bullying him.
Wait a minute. Valkyrie doesn't have a robe on anymore.
Face full of Iron Belly. And a jumping drop kick, knocking
Louise,
down
bro.
Ace Alexander flat on the mat.
And splat. That's it, bro.
He might be dead.
He's done.
That's
Ace,
crazy.
man, Ace has got
That's
fight in him.
crazy. I wouldn't have kicked out.
Ace has got so much fight in him, it's ridiculous, man.
Nah, sometimes he shouldn't.
Sometimes I understand, live to fight another day, but Ace doesn't care
Like
about
this, he's going to have a very short career if he continues to fight like this. Oh my gosh. And he's getting, oh my God, chopped to pieces.
Oh.
Knocked off the rag. Wave check. He does not want to do the wave check.
Oh, wow.
It seems like as soon as the proverbial back shots happened, all the momentum went straight to the Sons of Plunder.
Yeah, it just went out right out. It's
They
like
had
the
a
air-
strong start, the Step Bros did,
The
but
literal air went out of the room. Like, these guys are being mean and just, they're taking them out. What is he doing?
I don't know, but it can't be good!
Christ.
Oh, he might be dead. Like, this match is something that shortens somebody's career.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
What did she just do?
I didn't see
What
what
did she just
happened.
do?
You're not the legal man, he's not the legal man. You're not the legal man, he's not the legal man.
What did she just do?
Boys, come on, you. Ring the bell.
The winners of the match.
Valkyrie influenced the ending of this match as well.
Champion, the Sons of Plunder.
You can't knock the fact they got her, man.
Absolutely not. You got to win by any means necessary here. I mean, look at the Mayhem Mafia.
What's
This is our ring.
Bro, what the?
They're jumping them.
Going on right now. Look at the way that they're attacking these dudes, man.
Oh my gosh!
What the hell is going on right now, bro?
You think that Ace and them has had enough after a match like this? It was a beatdown, and then they continued even after the match.
What is happening?
Chaos.
Huh?
This is the Point Break.
Huh? It's her, bro.
Vikings, it's time to fight. Brothers in arms, break down the devil.